What's up, Riders Nation? In today's video, I got some really important safety recall information for all you guys. So let's cue the intro and get to the video. The Riderz Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting. So I just recently came across this information in regards to Harley Davidson motorcycle helmets, specifically the Scorpion EXO Covert X and the Harley Davidson X07. So just in case you guys aren't aware, this is a Harley Davidson X07. This is on full safety recall from the manufacturer who supplies Harley Davidson. The article that I'm reading, the safety recall, was July 5th, 2024. Kind of appears as though no one contacted any of us to let us know that our helmets are on a safety recall. It is for every size of the helmet. I'm going to read from the article for you guys. The issue arose after the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration tested helmets in February 2023. The manufacturer, the supplier, is Kido Sports, K-I-D-O, or Kaido Sports. Allegedly, they began preparing an action plan after it was contacted by NHTSA on May 10th, 2024. It says here in the article that there isn't yet a solution for buyers of the helmets. Well, that's where I come in. So I contacted this phone number that's in the article. It's 1-888-672-6774. I contacted them today and I spoke to one of their representatives. You have to send them an email. The email address is service@scorpionexo.com. In that email, you have to put your name, address, phone number, email, the make, model, and color of the helmet, any graphics that came on the helmet, the size of the helmet, the production date, and the model number. Now, allegedly, if you send them that email, and I haven't gotten a response yet from them, but the response email should come with shipping instructions, and you will ship your helmet back to them, and they will ship you out a brand new replacement helmet. That's what I hear. So once again, it is service@scorpionexo.com. The safety recall is in regards to the Scorpion EXO Covert X and Harley Davidson HD X-07, which is the helmet that I have once again, which is this helmet. Alright guys, I hope that helps you out. I wouldn't be wearing the helmet. Supposedly the problem with the helmet is the helmet straps come apart and you lose your helmet. It's probably not a good thing. So that's it for me today. Big shout out to Angela, one of our subscribers that I met at our local retro fitness gym. Angela, thank you for subscribing. Stay safe. Live the dream.